Heart pain, causes and possible complications. Causes of heart pain. There are many potential causes of heart pain in the chest. Some require medical attention immediately. Others are much more benign and may respond to a home remedy. Some of the common causes of heart pain include heart attack, stable angina, unstable angina, heartburn, acid reflux or GERD, or gastrointestinal reflux disease. Muscle strain, injury to muscles. Heart attacks require emergency medical attention. If a person thinks they may be having a heart attack, they should see a doctor immediately. Angina, which results from the coronary arteries being clogged or narrowed, may also require medical attention and treatment. Possible complications. The main concern when chest pain occurs is a heart attack. People should be aware of the symptoms of a heart attack and seek immediate medical attention if a heart attack is suspected. Symptoms may include the following in addition to chest pain: pain in other areas of the upper body, including neck, jaw, or arm, shortness of breath, nausea, lightheadedness, cold sweat. Women should be aware that they are less likely to experience intense chest pain than men. They are more likely to have uncomfortable pressure or squeezing in their chest than pain. Women are also more likely to experience the other symptoms of a heart attack than a man. When to see a doctor. A person should seek immediate medical attention at the first signs of a heart attack. Also, a person should not use a home remedy as the first line of defense. If the pain is new or unusual, people should seek out a medical diagnosis to ensure it is not due to something more severe than heartburn or gas. Home remedies have a place in the effective treatment of often minor pain in the chest when the cause is known and it is not a serious condition. On the other hand, any serious cases such as a heart attack or angina should be treated immediately by a medical professional. If a person has any doubt, they should avoid using home treatments and seek medical attention as soon as possible.